friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the Faith Bake collaboration. Our hosts are Sabrina's Craft Nanigans and Donna's Creations and more. Please check out their channels and the amazing playlist in the description box. These Dollar Tree hearts, and we're going to make them into Dollar Tree. They're going to make them into cake pops. This is so simple, especially for those of you that are new to fake bake, like me, because I've never really done much fake bake. This is just puffy paint, and we're going to make it look like icing dripping. Chose a gray color, but you could choose white. It doesn't really matter because we got sprinkles. Because doesn't sprinkles make everything better? That's what I say in my kitchen when I cook. So I guess I can say it here too. Sprinkles makes this better. And these sprinkles here are lips, pink and red lips and white lips, which is awful fun. And my other sprinkles, of course, is turquoise and pink heart. And I'm going to do some of each, and then I'm going to let them dry. Here's our other one. You could also do red and pink. I'm going to just do pink, because I do a lot of pink in my decor. Oh, these have some moons in them too. That's going to be fun. Put as many sprinkles on as you like. I found this at Michael's after Christmas, and I thought this would be perfect for one of my fake bakes because it reminded me of cotton candy. So here we go. Let's turn this into our cotton candy dreams. This is just a paper straw. I chose black and white because I like black and white. You can choose whatever color you like. I'm going to add, for stability, I'm going to add a skewer inside. Just for a little extra stability. And so if I want to poke it into some floral foam, it'll be okay. Okay. The only thing bad about this is there was one piece that had knots tied in it, which I thought, I'll just take the knots out, and that's where I'll cut it for my first piece. So that's what we're gonna do. Down here at the end, I'm going to just finish it off with a little bow. We don't go, this one I don't think I'll go down as far. I think I went down too far on the last one. I think I'm going to go up, wrap it one more time up around. Here, that's good. I like this one better. Then I might tuck this under. I'm tucking this under. And putting it right there. And there's glue, hot glue. I know my finger got in it. Hey. And then we'll add our bows. Bow to finish it. I like that side better, so we'll put the... Okay, we're going to start with 3 pieces of felt, and we're going to stack them evenly on top of each other. And I'm using 3 colors. Some people use this 2, and they'll do the same color on the top and the bottom. But I'm going to stack them even. Do 4 pieces. You can use thread on this, or you can use I'm going to use hot glue. And we're making ribbon candy. If you use thread, these would be perfect for an ornament. But I'm not doing a Valentine's Day tree this year. So this is going to be for my little bowl for my dough bowl. This would be great for a dough bowl. And I'll just trim that off. Oh, dang. Let's do that again. Well, that didn't work out. Okay, let's try this again. I've never done faux food. Let's try this again with another one. Let's do it this way. This is, oh, we have a bird trying to get in the house. There, now this will work better. And there's our ribbon candy. I'm gonna, ooh. Take off the glue strings. I got these little baby hearts. I don't know, it came in a pack of something. And I thought, I would put that on our ribbon candy for just a decoration. Okay, here's our candies. First, we have our heart-shaped cake pops. We have our ribbon candy. And we have our cotton candy. I tried to put them in this. I thought it'd be cute to have those in there, and it didn't work out right. So I'll see how I can decorate with these for Valentine's Day.